Hi, I'm Amy Burkholder, the owner and founder of Bronzed Berry. I started a mobile spray tanning business in 2010 and quickly learned how to make money at spray tanning, pay myself back for my initial investment. And I had other women coming to me saying, "Can you teach me how to do this?" There are 4 questions that every single spray tanner needs to ask and answer. How much was your initial investment? Don't just look at the kit price. Look at shipping, tax, everything, all the bags you needed, supplies you needed, your solutions, your tent, everything that you needed to start your business. Create a simple spreadsheet. It doesn't have to be complex. Whatever system that you're gonna use will most likely work. Come up with your total, and now you've got that. Put that to the side for just a minute. On average, you're gonna use about 2 ounces of solution per client. So take the total amount of ounces on your bottle, divide that by 2. That's about how many services you're gonna get out of that bottle. Now you're gonna take that price of it and divide it by 15, and that gives you the cost of your solution. Tanning solution is not gonna be your only expense. Most of us are using a barrier cream, barrier balm, client disposables, and do not make the mistake of not including equipment depreciation in that cost. Number 3, what are your ongoing expenses? Your website, marketing, media, flyers, all of those kinds of tangible things, but also things like web hosting, your email provider, all of those digital things as well, and continuing education. If you're not participating in continuing education, I would say that is one thing that can ruin a spray tanning business. So what is your plan for continuing education? And how much is that gonna cost? Divide that out over the course of a year and add that into your line item on how much your business is costing you per month, okay? So you're going to have any rent that you're paying, rent and utilities that you're paying if you're renting a space somewhere. You're gonna include your website, email, any club or association dues that you're in as well. So add all those up and get your total for the month so that you know how much your business costs you. If you are working your business, this business is sustainable. As long as you are covering your expenses, keep at it. Your initial investment should be paid back with your launch parties. Have as many launch parties as you need to have to pay back your initial investment. People that work their business are not just spray tanning clients, they're also networking with other professionals and offering their services. They're making sure that their business listings are found in the most popular places like Yelp, Wedding Wire. They're linking up with makeup and hairstyle artists and tattoo artists. They always have business cards on them, willing to hand them out. They have their business on their car. If you are covering your expenses, it is perfectly reasonable to keep your business going for a year. You need to have gone through each of the seasons in your business so your business will be sustainable. It builds season after season after season, year over year, just like a hairstylist. It takes time. It takes time to build your skill. It takes time to build your business. Give yourself grace in that, and your business can be sustainable. What's your plan for success?